What if Nikon is preparing the camera that finally brings the legendary D500 spirit into the mirrorless era? A camera that could combine professional speed, advanced autofocus, and next-generation imaging technology in a compact but powerful body designed for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and serious content creators. This is the Nikon Z90, and today on TechVibe, we're exploring everything we know so far about this highly anticipated camera, including the latest rumors, possible specifications, expected upgrades, and why this could become one of Nikon's most important releases in years. Welcome back to TechVibe, where we bring you the latest technology leaks, future gadgets, and camera innovations from around the world. If you love discovering upcoming technology before everyone else, make sure you subscribe because the future of photography is changing faster than ever. For years, Nikon fans have been waiting for a true successor to the legendary Nikon D500. That camera earned a reputation as one of the best APS-C cameras ever created because of its incredible speed, durability, autofocus performance, and ability to handle demanding photography situations. Wildlife photographers, sports professionals, and enthusiasts trusted the D500 because it delivered flagship-level performance without the price of a full-frame camera. Now, many believe the Nikon Z90 could be the mirrorless evolution that fans have been waiting for. Before we continue, it's important to mention that Nikon has not officially announced the Z90 yet. The information discussed in this video is based on industry expectations, rumors, and analysis of Nikon's current camera strategy. Specifications, features, and release timing could change. But if these rumors become reality, the Nikon Z90 could become one of the most exciting APS-C cameras ever made. One of the biggest expectations surrounding the Nikon Z90 is its sensor technology. Rumors suggest Nikon could introduce a high-resolution APS-C sensor designed to deliver an impressive balance between image quality, speed, and low-light performance. Some reports have suggested a possible sensor around 30 to 33 megapixels, which would provide photographers with more detail and cropping flexibility while maintaining the fast performance needed for action photography. For wildlife photographers, this could be a huge advantage. The APS-C crop factor provides additional reach, allowing photographers to capture distant subjects without always relying on extremely expensive super telephoto lenses. Whether you are photographing birds in flight, wild animals, or fast-moving sports events, the Z90 could become a powerful tool. Another major area where the Nikon Z90 could stand out is autofocus performance. Modern cameras are becoming smarter every year, and Nikon has already made significant improvements with models like the Z8 and Z9. The Z90 is expected to borrow some of that advanced technology, potentially featuring improved subject recognition and AI-powered tracking. Imagine photographing a bird flying through trees, a football player moving at full speed, or a racing car passing by at hundreds of kilometers per hour, while the camera automatically detects and maintains focus on the most important subject. This level of intelligent autofocus is becoming essential for professional photographers. Speed is another area where the Z90 could continue Nikon's legendary reputation. The D500 was loved because of its fast burst shooting capabilities, and Nikon users will expect the Z90 to continue that legacy. A high-speed electronic shutter, improved processing power, and faster image handling could make it a serious competitor against cameras from Sony, Canon, and Fujifilm. For hybrid creators, video performance will also be a major factor. Today's photographers are not only taking pictures, they are creating YouTube videos, documentaries, social media content, and professional productions. A future Nikon Z90 could potentially include advanced video features such as high-quality 4K recording, possible 6K video capabilities, improved stabilization, and professional recording formats. While high-resolution video features are exciting, creators also care about practical improvements like reliable autofocus, overheating control, battery efficiency, and excellent dynamic range. These are the features that make a camera useful in real-world production environments. The Nikon Z90 could also benefit from Nikon's latest image processing technology. A faster processor could improve everything from autofocus calculations to image quality and video performance. Better processing would allow photographers to capture more frames, reduce noise in low-light situations, and experience a smoother shooting experience. Design and build quality are another area where Nikon could impress. Nikon has always been known for comfortable ergonomics and professional camera bodies. The Z90 is expected to continue that tradition with a durable design, weather resistance, and controls that feel natural for photographers who spend long hours shooting outdoors. For wildlife and sports professionals, comfort matters. A camera is not only about specifications, it needs to feel reliable when you are standing in extreme weather conditions, waiting hours for the perfect shot, or covering important events. The lens ecosystem will also play a major role in the success of the Nikon Z90. Nikon's Z mount system continues to expand, offering more lenses every year. A powerful APS-C flagship camera combined with lightweight telephoto lenses could create an excellent setup for photographers who need mobility without sacrificing performance. Another interesting possibility is how Nikon positions the Z90 compared to its existing lineup. The Z8 and Z9 are designed for professionals who need full-frame performance, but many photographers still prefer APS-C cameras because of their extra reach, smaller size, and lower overall cost. The Z90 could fill that gap by offering professional performance in a more accessible package. The biggest question, however, is pricing. Nikon will need to find the perfect balance between advanced features and affordability. The camera market is extremely competitive, with powerful options available from Sony, Canon, Fujifilm, and other manufacturers. If Nikon delivers excellent autofocus, speed, and image quality at the right price, the Z90 could attract both loyal Nikon users and photographers switching from other brands. Release timing is another mystery. Nikon has not confirmed an official launch date, and camera development cycles can change. However, the continued demand for a professional APS-C mirrorless camera shows that there is a strong market waiting for a D500 successor. The Nikon Z90 is not just another camera rumor. It represents the possibility of bringing one of Nikon's most loved camera categories into the modern era. A fast sensor, intelligent autofocus, professional video features, excellent ergonomics, and Nikon's legendary reliability could make this camera a dream upgrade for many photographers. If Nikon gets this right, the Z90 could become one of the most talked about cameras among wildlife shooters, sports photographers, and creators around the world. But now the question is, would you choose the Nikon Z90 over competitors like Sony, Canon, and Fujifilm if it launches with these rumored upgrades? Or do you think Nikon needs something even more powerful to compete? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This is TechVibe, bringing you the future of technology before it arrives. Stay connected for more camera leaks, upcoming gadgets, and next-generation innovations. Subscribe to TechVibe, because the future is closer than you think.